Each fig harbors hundreds of insect eggs inside. They hatch and mate within. They reproduce and die. This is the compromise the fig makes to ripen. And the price it pays. It's also a genetic contract between animals and plants, which has lasted for 80 million years. In the vibrant forest, the strangler fig is the only giant plant that can bear fruit all year round. Its thick trunk is laden with fruit. It's the year-round granary for countless creatures. The fruit of the strangler fig is the wild fig. Figs don't really have no flowers. Inside their immature fruits, there are actually countless small flowers. The ripening of figs requires overcoming two hurdles. The first hurdle is absorbing sufficient sunlight to obtain energy. The second hurdle is the need for a special insect to sacrifice itself to complete pollination for the small flowers inside the fig. The first hurdle is very simple. When life on Earth had not yet been born, sunlight already existed from the sun 150 million kilometers away. Like a tireless nuclear reactor, it packages light and heat and delivers it to Earth in 8 minutes. The duration of sunshine is about the same in most parts of the world. But the situation near the equator is different. Here, 12 hours of sunlight pour down every day. The unique sunlight conditions have given birth to an extremely rich ecosystem. A colorful tropical rainforest fig. Each leaf of the banyan tree is like a solar panel, desperately catching the light, turning them into nutrients, and slowly transporting them to the trunk, and infusing them into the fruit. But sunlight alone is not enough. This second hurdle requires a tiny insect to keep the appointment. After more than 80 million years of continuous evolution, figs have finally given birth to over 1,000 varieties. Each fig has a corresponding tiny wasp to form a symbiotic relationship with. This fig wasp is also known as the fig wasp. It is only 1.5 millimeters long. Its ovipositor can be twice its body length. The female fig wasp will choose to drill into the immature fig to lay eggs inside. After tens of millions of years of evolution, the fig has long ago reserved a secret passage for the fig wasp. This passage into the interior of the fruit is extremely narrow, so that when the fig wasp squeezes in, its wings will be clipped off by the hole wall. Body fluids seep out along the cracks of the hole. But it doesn't stop, but endures the pain and continues to drill into the depths of the fruit cavity. It's all worth it. After entering the fig, the female fig wasps head straight for the densely packed florets. After laying their eggs using their long ovipositors, they also carefully collect pollen from their abdomen to pollinate these florets. It is known that female fig wasps only have one day. After completing their egg-laying and pollination missions, they will remain inside the fig until they die and are absorbed by the fig. Under the sunlight, the figs are slowly ripening. About a month later, the wasp eggs hidden in the fruit cavity begin to hatch. The first to hatch are the male fig wasps. As soon as they are born, they do something unbelievable. These male fig wasps use their genitals, which are longer than their bodies, to penetrate the wasp eggs where the females are, and mate with the unhatched females. At this moment, the outside world of the fruit is already fraught with danger. Predatory ants have already heard the news. They are waiting outside the fig's passage, greedily awaiting the feast. After the male fig wasps have finished mating, the female fig wasps will begin to hatch. The females are already pregnant as soon as they are born. As they emerge from the eggshells, their bodies are already covered in fig pollen. At this time, the male fig wasps will all drill out of the fruit to complete their destined, tragic mission. They sacrifice themselves by feeding the ants with their bodies to cover the escape of the female fig wasps. These young females, carrying both eggs and pollen, have a lifespan of only about 2 days. They must hurry to fly into the sky and find another suitable fig tree to drill into its unripe fruit. to fulfill a contract written into their genes. Under the full illumination of sunlight, the figs are finally ripe. This is the food that gibbons depend on for survival. They accurately mark the location of each cluster fig tree. They travel about 3 to 4 kilometers in the rainforest every day, searching for ripe figs. There are many other animals that depend on a cluster fig for survival, and many more. While these animals enjoy this fruit feast, they also spread countless fig seeds in every corner of the rainforest, making a huge contribution to the reproduction and expansion of the cluster figs. A magical symbiotic relationship, such as this one between the fig wasp and the cluster fig, is almost everywhere. All life is using its own way to protect the endless cycle of life on this planet.